Huntington Ingalls Industries' Newport News Shipbuilding division recently reached 2 milestones in the refueling and complex overhaul of USS George Washington, with the commencing of the shore steam testing program and completing work on the potable water system in support of the upcoming crew move aboard event. The refueling and complex overhaul of USS George Washington CVN 73 is continuing to progress through its final outfitting and test phase at Newport News Shipbuilding Division, and is approximately 80% complete. The reintroduction of steam to the ship's steam-driven components marks a significant milestone in the ship's propulsion plant components and systems coming back to life. Achieving this event encompasses work being performed on thousands of steam components by NNS and our contracted overhaul facilities, along with the ship's reactor department. Work is comprised of equipment and system removals, refurbishments, replacements, alignments and pre-steam testing. The effort began in 2017 when George Washington arrived at Newport News over 3 years ago, with work continuing today. The test program is designed to exercise all aspects of the propulsion plant systems and will certify the systems and components for future operations over the next 25 years of service. In parallel with commencing the steam test program, modifications and repairs to the potable water system is yet another milestone the project team recently achieved. The overhaul and recertification of the potable water system is a major undertaking and a significant step in the successful completion of the availability. This system, which runs through and services hundreds of spaces on the ship, is key to bringing the crew back on board later this year. Work on the potable water system, which includes 26 tanks, pumps, valves and thousands of feet of pipe, commenced early in the availability. During the process, the tanks were refurbished, the system reconfigured, the piping pressure tested and the water chlorinated and tested to ensure it is safe for the crew to use and drink. George Washington is the 6th Nimitz-class aircraft to undergo its midlife refueling, overhaul and maintenance availability that produces a recapitalized carrier capable of supporting current and future warfare doctrine for the next 25 years. The ship is on track to redeliver in 2022.